Welcome, valued customers, to an exciting journey into the world of cutting-edge connectivity. Today, we are proud to introduce you to the revolutionary technology that is shaping the future of networking, gpon OLTs. GPON, or Gigabit Passive Optical Network, represents the pinnacle of fiber optic communication. At the heart of this transformative technology are our state-of-the-art gpon OLTs, optical line terminals. Our OLTs are designed to deliver unparalleled speed, reliability, and scalability. Let's dive into the key features that make them stand out. With gpon OLTs, say goodbye to sluggish connections. These devices provide lightning-fast gigabit speeds, ensuring that your data travels at the speed of light. As your business grows, so does the demand for a robust network. Our gpon OLTs are highly scalable, allowing you to seamlessly expand your network infrastructure without compromising on performance. Reliability is non-negotiable in the world of connectivity. Our gpon OLTs are engineered for maximum uptime, providing a stable and dependable network backbone for your organization. Embrace the future with confidence. Our gpon OLTs are equipped with future-proof technology, ensuring that your network remains at the forefront of innovation through regular firmware updates and enhancements. In conclusion, our gpon OLTs are not just devices, they're the key to unlocking a new era of connectivity. Join us on this journey, and let's build a network that's fast, reliable, and ready for the future. Thank you for exploring the world of gpon OLTs with us. For more information or to schedule a demonstration, contact our dedicated team today. Revolutionize your connectivity, it's time for gpon OLTs.